everyone, it's Lorie from Dee's, and today we're going to show some tips and ideas on decorating your staircase and rails. We have a beautiful pre-made garland, and like I always say, these are great to work with, especially because they're wired. But the secret to beautiful florals in your home is to make sure that you fluff those up and bring them to life. So we've got our garland fluffed. Now, lots of people may worry about how to attach these to their railings. Pipe cleaners or chenille stems are a great way. There's also cloth covered wire, and I'm simply going to wrap it around and just twist it like a bread tie to hold it in place on our rail. That way you don't have to worry about scratching your woodworking. So once we have this secure, we can begin to finish it off. So the hardest part is choosing what you want to use. But today I've chosen two beautiful ribbons that we can use to run through our garland. It's very easy. These are beautiful wired ribbons. This one is especially nice because it has a front and a back side. I'm just going to let this drop down. We're going to use our pieces in our garland that are wired to attach our ribbon in. Simply twist it like a bread tie. You want to loop it. Let it add a little pizzazz. And we're going to simply twist our wire around our garland. You're going to continue through your entire piece until you have your ribbon running through like this one. Now, to add a little extra something, I chose the pumpkin ribbon to go with it and put just a few little cuts about 12 inches long and space those throughout my garland just to add a little more fun. We put a bow on the end to add a finishing touch to the bottom of our staircase. Now, if that's a little too simple for you, you can always take one of these beautiful picks with the pumpkins and wire that right in. And look, you even still have something more beautiful with an additional textures with the pumpkins added in. Another idea for your staircases, if you don't want to use the entire garland down, is to choose some beautiful stems. We have texture. It's all about the textures. We have a beautiful grass stem. We have this stem that has some more grass and some berries and some different stick shoots. And then we have a pumpkin pick that has some beautiful berries and fall leaves. You want to fluff them all up when you begin and bring them back to life. You can group them together just like so. Just lay them on top of each other. And we've made a beautiful mixed bow, again with our pretty plaid that's on both sides and our pumpkin just to add a little more fun. And I'm just going to wire my bow right to the top of my stems. Now what you're going to want to do is to have some wire cutters handy so that you can trim off your extra stems. And this would be beautiful hanging from your post. Quick and easy. Thanks for joining us today.